So the statement of the theorem is as follows. So let the Fourier series for f of x in the interval 0 to 2l, ठीक है, in the interval 0 to 2l b is f of x is a Fourier series, जो हमने Fourier series लिखी है किसी फंक्शन की. So how do you write the Fourier series of any function? So this is a0 upon 2 plus summation of an. Since the interval is 0 to 2l, here it will be cos of n pi x upon l plus bn into sine of n pi x upon l. And the summation runs from 1 to infinity. ठीक है, तो हमारे so we have a Fourier series for f of x. If the Fourier series for f of x converges uniformly in the interval 0 to 2l, then the Parseval's theorem states that the integration 0 to 2l f of x its square, means this integration within the limit 0 to 2l f of x its square dx will be is equals to l times a naught square upon 2 plus summation of an square plus bn square. Means what? This Parseval theorem help us to find this integration. So if you have f of x, then integration of f of x square within the limit 0 to 2l will be is equals to l times a naught square upon 2 plus summation of, obviously sum run from 1 to infinity, an square plus bn square. Means what is this an? This an and bn we have found by using the Fourier series. ठीक है. So we will solve example for this and then we can understand how do we use this theorem. ठीक है. But before that we will write some corollary. Corollary are the statement which are derived from the theorem. ठीक है. Corollary ऐसा कुछ जनरल स्टेटमेंट होते हैं जो थ्योरम से ही डिराइव्ड होते हैं. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 3 corollaries. Corollary 1 is बेसिकली अगर आपका इंटरवल चेंज हो गया तो इंटीग्रेशन कैसे चेंज होगा, दैट इज these are the corollaries. So corollary 1, what is the corollary 1? For the interval minus L to L, if you have the interval minus L to L, then what is going to happen? For the interval minus L to L, integration of minus L to L f of x its square, f of x का square dx is equals to L into a naught square upon 2 plus summation of an square plus bn square. This is going to happen. ठीक है. Means if the interval is 0, instead of interval 0 to 2l, if you have minus L to L, then this identity holds. Next, corollary 2. What is the second corollary? If we have the Fourier only half range cosine series, so if f of x is equals to a naught upon 2 Fourier हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज, तो कोसाइन सीरीज रहेगा तो उसमें bn's के टर्म्स नहीं होंगे, प्लस समेशन an into cos of n pi x upon l. So this is n running from 1 to infinity. So this is Fourier half series of cos because it contains only the terms of cos, which is half range cosine series, in the interval in the interval. What is the interval for half series? 0 to L. The interval for half series is 0 to L. For f of x, then the integration 0 to L f of x its square dx is equals to L by 2 into a naught square upon 2 प्लस समेशन ऑफ ए एन स्क्वायर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बी एन क्या है, सारे जीरो है, इसीलिए यू आर गेटिंग ए एन स्क्वायर. ऑफ कोर्स दिस सम रन फ्रॉम 1 to infinity. This sum run from 1 to infinity. Similarly, if we have the half range sine series, then what is going to happen? So corollary 3. Corollary 3, if f of x is equals to summation of bn into n pi x upon L and running from 1 to infinity, which is what? Half range, which is half range sine series. So which is half range sine series in the interval 0 to L, in the interval 0 to L for f of x. Then this integration 0 to L f of x इसका square dx is equals to, what is this interval? This is L by 2. Since a naught and a n are 0, so you will be remaining only with summation of bn square and running from 1 to infinity.